anak-anak, nalala namin hit ka ng sambungan dito, mula dati mungkin nakaru,
Okay.
anak na sambungan.
Okay.
Mana selai na tu na.
Oh, salah.
No.
Kaja. So, you tell the conference that it's wrong to kill animals. But it's not wrong to eat animals. Okay. Because why? God allow you to do so. You kill animal for consumption, for food, but not for games. Never for game. Okay? And then for commercial business, no. Because they have a special function in this world, this animal. Animals, big, small, birds, so they have special function. I give 3 examples now. Squirrels, birds, and this bear. Okay. They are planters. They plant these trees, you know. See, for instance, birds. When birds eat fruit, you know, it bring the seed, you know, and it drop somewhere else. So let's say fruit A. When you take fruit number A, and it scattered around the places. So this tree number A trees will grow everywhere. So they are planters. They plant, you know. They keep the forest, you know, intact. It's in line with the nature. The same bear. Say, for instance, bear, where he likes durian trees, you know. You know durian, where durian, okay? He eats the durian, but the seed never eats. He bring the seed and throw away, you know.
Yeah.
So he planting the seed of the durian trees. So in nowhere, nobody stay there. You can see 2 or 3 trees of durian trees. Then who is the owner? Not me, not you, not others, but the bear. That's why when it's fruit time, the bears come first because he plants the durian trees. And then squirrel the same thing. When you take fruit, you drop the seed to the ground. So this seed will grow up. So everybody has the job, you know, to keep this world. That's why they are very important to balance the, you know, the
Tak boleh habis. Ada na. Ikut karbus dah nanya ada tak.
Kalau karbus habis. Okay, they are
Karbus huntek.
animals are very important, the spirit, and they liaison with human being spirit. Because of what? Because of friendship. So animal can stay safely, and human being can stay safely if we have close contact, you know, to the private telephone lah.
How is his way to talk to the animals then?
Well,
In his dreams?
in your dreams,
Yeah.
everything is done in their dreams. And they are human being. They are not animals. Don't say they are animals. They are human being.
Yeah.
And you are a human being. You talk like this.
Yeah. So therefore, for us to remember how to communicate with the animal kingdom could be very important.
Very important. Very, very important. Yeah.
And
We should have the ability. We
Yeah.
should learn and have a class of how to. You know, very important. Because, you know, this world, as I always said, not only animals, not only like tiger, birds, but monkeys also do the same job.
Yeah.
They plant this world.
Yeah.
When they eat the fruit, the seed they drop down.
Yeah.
So this tree, the fruit of the particular trees, they grows up. So they, you know, they
yeah.
that.